Okay, shall ready? Alright, there you go. So cool. Okay, well, as you can see, because of their color, they are very obvious in the wild. That's why they are easily caught with the in fact, most of the wild animals are designed to blend in perfectly with this nature and to be nearly invisible. And that is what we call, how do you call that? Blending with this nature. Nakikita ba kayo? May tinutulog sila. What kind of bird is that? Sitting on the tree branch. Owl. Okay, let's see if it's real. Kaya Olan, paikuha mo nga. Kulay kaya yun, sir? Actually, kayo na pa siya nandiyan. Ay, kulay nga. Okay, come on, sir, Daddy.
Sino magalaw?